this is I.C.E. Today we will continue with our Foundation Chinese study. And again, the content is from page 2, number section. And today the number will be number 4, 4. Number 4 in Chinese is called 4, S-I, last tone, 4. And in this combination, letter I actually is barely pronounced. That's why SI combination is pronounced as 4, but not C. Okay? And about number 4, the first thing we want to talk about is actually in China, number 4, 4, is considered as an unlucky number because the pronunciation of number 4, 4, sounds very similar to the word die, death in Chinese, which is called 死. So that's why number 4 in China is considered as an unlucky number. And in daily life, of course, a lot of Chinese trying their best to avoid number 4, 4. So when people are choosing phone numbers, street numbers, or car plates, they will try their best not to get number 4, which they have to use every day, okay? And apart from average people, for a lot of business like hotels, some of them actually also try their best to avoid number 4 just in case some customers are very sensitive. So don't be surprised if you see some hotels do not have the 4th floor in the elevator, or there's no room 404. So 4, 4, 4, number 4.